I never thought I'd be here doing this. When I started last year, I didn't even think it was possible to get 100 subscribers. I was too busy, listen to this, looking at someone's chapter 10, comparing it to my chapter 1, or me just opening the book. And many of you have to remember that. Quit comparing your chapter 1 to somebody else chapter 10. Focus on the plan. But I knew without a shadow of a doubt, there was something on the inside of me. I knew it. I knew I had a voice that was ready to break forth. And many of you have that same voice ready to break forth, but you are allowing fear to capture you and to keep you captive. You have to let go of the fear, let go of the doubt, and break forth. I love Christ. Check this out. I love Christ. I love music, entertainment, sprinkle in a dose of news. And I began to see the direction that I wanted to go. So I needed that direction. I needed that plan put in place. And then I knew what I wanted to talk about. And with those ingredients, you have to take them and use them. Don't just have the ingredients and don't bake the cake. You have to take those ingredients and utilize those things. You have to work the work and watch it work. Y'all already know what this is. This is the Wheelhouse. Like, subscribe, share. Encouragement, baby. Encouragement, baby. Encouragement. Peace.